Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Trello card. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com. And of course, if you're not logged in into your account or if it's your first time, you'll find yourself in this home screen. You can go and log in into your account if you use the login option at the top right corner or click on Get Trello for free if you don't have an account. And of course, you can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack if you have one of those options, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. You'll have to go to the board that you want to create a card on. If you don't have a board yet, you can simply go and create a new board. As you can see, you can go and create a new board. You can give it a title, a background, a visibility, who will be able to see it. You can make it private, public, for the workspace only. It's up to you. For me, I have multiple boards here, so I'll just go and access one of them. Maybe as an example, this one. So example, I have multiple cards already like here. Let's just go look for one that doesn't have a lot of cards. That's also so it's fine. We're just going to go and create a new card. So as an example here, I'm just going to create like first of all a list. I'm going to name it like test and click on add the list. Here on that list, I'll be able to start creating a cards. So it's totally up to you to create whatever you want on this card. So as an example, maybe you want it to be a to-do list like check like the database or something like that. I don't know. It's totally up to you to do whatever you want. Once you click on add card, as an example, you'll be able to edit it, to add some labels to it, assign some members, change some members, change covers, edit some dates, copy the card, copy the link of it, mirror, archive. You'll be able to do a lot of things on the card. And that's how you create it or make some changes to it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.